Are you looking for a replacement or backup remote for your Android TV box or TV stick, but not sure which one to buy? Don't worry, in this video, we'll show you how to choose the right remote in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Check system type and compatibility. First, you need to check whether your device can use a universal remote. If your TV box or stick runs on a standard Android system, most universal remotes will work perfectly. But if it's a non-standard Android system, like Amazon Fire Stick or other customized Android versions, compatibility may be limited. These systems are developed based on Android but heavily modified by the brand, so they often only work with the original remote. Step 2. Choose the right connection type. Next, check whether your box supports Bluetooth or has a USB port. If your device supports Bluetooth, you can choose a Bluetooth remote. If it has a USB port, then a 2.4G remote with a USB receiver is a good choice. If your device supports both, great, you can pick whichever suits you better. Step 3. Pick features that match your needs. Finally, choose a remote that matches your daily usage habits. For example, voice control lets you search and control your TV with your voice. Gyroscope or air mouse function, great for games or pointer-style navigation. Backlit keys, perfect for dark environments. Mini keyboard, makes typing much faster. Rechargeable design, saves you from changing batteries all the time. So, that's how you choose the perfect replacement or backup remote for your Android TV box or stick. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Tell us what kind of remote you use.